Are you annoyed when your phone charges really slow? Getting disturbed by worn-off cables, loose connection, and having to get multiple cables for Android and Apple, given its different connector heads? Don't worry, iSMART is here. Introducing iSMART 2-in-1 reversible cable. The cable that charges either an Android or Apple device with just one connector. Leather braided material for high durability with a premium appearance. High-grade aluminum material housing. Durable ABS housing for protection against loose connections. 2.4 amp fast phone charging for Android and Apple devices. You can now charge Apple or Android devices using the same cable. With 2.4 amp fast charging, you can expect up to a 10% boost charge within a short span of 15 minutes, and even use it as a keychain. With iSMART keyboard, you can work anywhere and anytime you want, and with the iSMART speaker, you can now enjoy superior quality music anywhere you are. Lastly, with our iSMART cable, you can charge any Android and Apple devices anytime you need. iSMART, the smarter way to life.